Okay, so first of all, we need to tie the flower wine, soft wine onto the print. Okay, completed. Okay, then after make 3 prints like this, and the next step, just put some flowers on the print. Okay, look, completed with the flower wrap. Okay, then the next step, we need to take the screw out from this candelabra accessory, and then take the screw like this. Put it on the stick. And put the stick on the base. Okay. And the next step, we need to pick the flower rest on the stick, like this. Okay, completed with one stick. To make it sturdy. Okay. Okay, then I will put on the another 2 sticks and show you the effect. Okay, look. This is the effect after I set up these 3 sticks like this. What do you think? And then let's put on the candle. Since I only have this green and this size of the candle on hand, in fact, you can use other color like the popular white, milk white color, and the better size of the candle. I think I should prepare some candle. Okay. If you have the material on hand, you can make it look better. But anyway, just take it like this. Put on the candle. The effect will be much more pretty, right? Okay, let's check the detail. This is our flower. And this is part of our candelabra accessory, like this. Okay, then let's add some bleaching on it to show the effect. Adding bleaching are very simple. Just take the length you want. This is our bleaching. Take the length you want. And add a hook. And then hook it on the flower wire will be okay. Since I'm holding the camera, it's much convenient. I will show you the effect. Okay, look. After I hook it on the flower rest, this is the effect. And I will show you the effect after I add all the bleaching on the flower rest. Okay, completed by adding the bleaching. I make different lengths. I use different lengths of the bleaching. And you can add more because I don't have so many bleaching on hand. Okay. This is the effect. And after I complete this design, I found if you can put some bird cage here on the top, the idea will be much more special. But of course, if you want to cut costs, you can put some candle. You know the color and the size of the candle, because I only have 3 of this candle on hand. You can use some white or suitable candle to make it much more pretty. And again, by using the small bird cage, put the bird cage and candle instead of just put the candle on the top, the effect will be very beautiful and special. And the small bird cage is not expensive actually. Okay, and then decorate with some flower on the bottom will be okay. The effect will be very pretty. And if I have time, I will use the bird cage to show you the picture in the future, and I will post the photo on my Facebook page. And also, we supply all the material used on our tutorial. Okay, let's check the detail again. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye. Suddenly, when I try to disassemble this design, this centerpiece, I suddenly got an idea. How if I stack this stick onto this stick to make a taller centerpiece. What would the effect look like? Okay, so let's have a try. Okay, now first of all, let's remove two of this stick and put the stick from this screw to this screw, much more close to the middle of the base. And then take another candelabra accessory and take the screw. Take off the screw. And this screw, we need to take off this screw. And make this screw much more, a little more out from the connected screw. Okay, and then put back the plane. And then use another of this connected screw part and put it on the screw. And then take another stick and screw it in the stick. Connect two sticks into one long stick. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. What do you think? Okay, I cleaned the table. And let's check the effect. What do you think? Actually, it's not much good by checking from the screen, but in reality, it looks very beautiful. And maybe just use the same length of the stick, the effect will be much more better. But this one is 40 cm and 15 cm, and you can make the bee chain much more longer. And use the bird cage on the top and red some leaf wine. The effect will be much more pretty. You can try it by yourself, but I don't make it anymore because for the following tutorial, I have the same idea by connecting two sticks to make a centerpiece. So I don't show you more on this tutorial. But you can try it. Decorate the base as my old tutorials show you. The effect will be much more pretty. Make the bee chain longer. Actually, it's very beautiful. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching.